To manage your LinkedIn account within the Post-Uno platform, click on Settings. On the LinkedIn API Settings page, you will input the client ID and client secret from your LinkedIn Developer app. To integrate LinkedIn with Post-Uno, create a new app in the LinkedIn Developers portal. To enable these features for your app, click Request Access for each product you wish to use. Navigate to the Auth tab within your app settings to configure the necessary OAuth 2.0 scopes. Necessary OAuth scopes such as profile, W_member_social, and email to access user data. In the LinkedIn Developer portal, under the Authentication section, you can find your client ID and primary client secret. Copy both of these values. Now, paste the client ID and client secret you copied from your LinkedIn Developer app. In the LinkedIn API settings, copy the redirect URI. In the OAuth 2.0 settings of your LinkedIn app, paste the Post-Uno redirect URI. After pasting, click Update to save and finalize the LinkedIn API configuration for your app. In the LinkedIn API settings, make sure to paste the correct client ID and client secret, and verify the redirect URL. Click Update to save and complete the integration process for LinkedIn.